somebody once told me that when you are given a platform, you have to amplify the voices of others. And that phrase has stuck with me for years. And so I knew that in writing a second book, After Kids Deserve It, I wanted to be something different. And I didn't want it to be just all about Todd or what Todd believes. And I remember sitting and talking to some of my educator friends that work at my school and thinking their stories are brilliant. Why aren't we using their stories and amplifying what they have to say? So I brought the idea to my staff and said, hey, would y'all want to write a book together? Like, I'll write it and you can share your stories throughout it. And they said they were game. And so from there, we took and ran with the idea. And the book itself has become something super personal to me as well as my school family, because it's one school's opportunity to share their stories about what they believe about kids, about education, instructional ideas, kind of the whole gamut.